Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to take off 5 to 10 years of your age. Okay, so if you're actually 40, you're gonna be looking 30, or if you're actually 30, you're gonna be looking 20, yeah, and all of that. So it's actually gonna help you look really young and beautiful even without applying makeup. So if you want to know what all of the ingredients is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me take you right into this video. So guys, you want to look years younger, you want to look super gorgeous, you want to look beautiful without makeup, try this remedy guys. Yeah, we're gonna be needing cucumber. Now cucumber is an age-long remedy that helps to remove wrinkles, and it helps to rejuvenate and make your skin look plump and beautiful. Yeah, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna cut it. You're going to we're gonna blend it. So we're gonna be putting it into this blender and blend. You can decide to create it, or you can even pound it however you want. Yeah. Okay guys, so it is actually properly blended, and now I'm gonna be grabbing a bowl. Okay, so this is it. And then we're going to equally be needing banana. Now banana is a great moisturizing property to the skin. It helps to make the skin super duper young, and it leaves your skin super duper plump. So I'm gonna be blending it with the same blender. Now if I don't put a little water, it's not going to blend really well. Alright, so I would have to pour that into this. Oh my god, this is really good. You want to look younger? You got a solution guys. So the mixture of banana and cucumber is great guys. Okay, so the next ingredient which we need is oatmeal. Okay, so I actually turning my oatmeal into this baby pig container. Yeah, so okay, so oatmeal is great for the skin. It helps to tighten up your skin and give you that glow guys. Yeah, and it equally helps to maintain an even clear skin, reducing the size of a large pores. Yeah, so this is it, and you mix it really well so that all of the ingredients can be mixed together. Yeah. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is actually very important for this, is rice. Now, using rice here will help to even out and lighten up your skin, and it also helps to reduce the size of your large balls. It will therefore make your skin super duper smooth and young equally. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing this all up together. And then the last ingredient which is very important, is tomato. Now, tomato helps to remove all unwanted hair. It helps to remove pigmentation, rashes, spots, and age-related problems. Okay, so we're going to be cutting that, and so we blend. Okay guys, so that is it. And now we would have to turn it into this mix. Wow, what a great mixture. Guys, if you want to look super duper young, try this. All of the vitamins are here, and when it touches your skin, it's a bomb. It's gonna be like a bomb. Like, it's gonna make you look so young and so hydrated. Okay, so using Vaseline here is optional. You can choose to use Vaseline, but if you don't want to use Vaseline, you can use coconut oil. But I'm not going to be putting in Vaseline because there's enough ingredient here, and we do not need the Vaseline for now. So for this, guys, you can actually use this at least 2 times in a week to look super duper young and, you know, really smooth. Yeah. Okay guys, so if you're actually 50, 51, 56, you decide to use this, you are gonna be looking healthy. You're gonna be looking super young. Now, the first thing you're going to do after which you mix this is that you're gonna wet your face with water. And the reason why you have to wet your face is so that this ingredient can actually get into your face really well. Yeah. Okay. So you grab this treatment, and then you apply it onto your face. Generous application of this treatment onto your face. Okay, let me bend down because it's actually touching my body. So you scoop and then you roll. Okay, so after which you've applied this, then the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to be scrubbing with this. Okay, so after which you scrub this, then you can choose to give it a second coating, you know, so that you can wait for a little while, let it get into your skin before you actually wash it off. Okay. Okay, so after the second coat, then you would have to hold on. You would have to wait for a little while, like wait for like 3 to 5 minutes if you can, at most. Okay, so that it can dry and then it can actually get into your skin and, you know, make you look super glowing. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. You know, apply that, you know, for the number of time in which I've actually told you, and the number of days that I've told you in the video, and you're going to be seeing a huge result, and the result is going to be very visible, and your skin is going to be looking really, really bright. So if you do find this video helpful, interesting, please do consider subscribing, thumbs up and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.